Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to resolve the common error message, upload failed due to a network issue. Check your internet connection and try again when you try to upload files into Claude AI on the web or Claude Desktop. So I don't want this to be a clickbait video. Let's just jump in right away. This is the most likely reason that I get this message. So Windows 11 has OneDrive, and a lot of IT admins and users in general back up their desktop documents and pictures to OneDrive. And if you happen to have a Word or Excel file open and it is stored in OneDrive, you will get this error if the file is open in Word and it's in OneDrive. Verify that if you have OneDrive and your file is open and you try to drag and drop the file into Claude on the web or Claude Desktop, it will give that error over and over again, even though it has nothing to do with the network issue. It must be just fighting for access. I didn't dive deep into it, but there's a conflict because it's already open. If your file is not stored in OneDrive and you're getting the same error message, go ahead and close out of the file and try again. That may resolve it, but I have been successful uploading files with them open as long as they're not stored in OneDrive. So there's a couple other potential places to look. So one would be next, just verify your connection is stable and there is not like content filtering or something on your network that could be blocking Claude. I would go up in the corner to the little 3 lines hamburger menu up in the left corner, and then go down to developer and then configure third-party interface. And once that opens, just drop down to egress requirements. If you don't have the developer option in your menu, I'll link that video in the description below. There is a setting that you need to enable developer mode. Go down to egress requirements and then just go ahead and test connectivity. Just verify that your Claude Desktop instance can access all the different URLs that it needs to. And the third one would be just simply go to status.claude.com. This would be the status site to see if there's any sort of outages going on. Anthropic does have outages from time to time, and that could be impacting your file upload. And there's a myriad of other potential options. I will quickly run through them in case any of these could be the issue as well, but likely pretty low on the list. So one would be make sure the file name is normal, like alphanumeric file name. So remove any trailing or leading spaces, remove any special characters like hashtag, exclamation marks, question marks, things like that. Another thing to look for would be what file size it is. I believe there's about a 30 meg file upload limit size. So if your file is say 100 meg or 50 meg, that could be causing the issue as well. The last two I'll mention is disable your VPN. If you do have a VPN turned on, Anthropic does often block or restrict endpoints that are on VPNs. If you're using Claude in your browser, you may need to disable or turn off any privacy shields. So like ad blockers like uBlock or things like that, that could also be impacting your upload. If this video helped out, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It really does help. And if you've solved this issue in a different way, please post that in the comment section below to help out the community. And as always, thanks for watching.